Hello and welcome back. So it's finally here. My 20, what year is it? 19 Paddington at St Paul's. So this has taken just about a week to get to me, whereas the first one came literally the day after I ordered it. What I think might have been the case is that people that pre-ordered it with the first Paddington, they were on the top of the priority list. So where stupidly I didn't pre-order it with the other one, it's taken a bit more time to get here. So lesson learned. I will now pre-order them to make sure I'm top of the list. But I do also have the 2018 Silverproof Paddington to show you as well, because I've been saving them to do it at the same time as this one. But let's get into this one now. So I was quite impressed with the first of this set for the 2019 Paddingtons. What have we got here? That's another one of these bits of bump. So what have we got then? So we've got the bunk one, but I didn't really like the designs when I saw them, but I think that does look very, very, very nice in person actually. Again, the intricacy of the St Paul's Cathedral, I do quite like that actually. It's similar with the other Paddington at the Tower. I wasn't a massive fan of the design, but now that I've got it in my hands, he's stunning. Hopefully he goes into circulation as well, because more coins in circulation would be awesome. But the PS2 resistance, we've got the silverproof as well. This is Paddington at St Paul's 2019 50p silverproof. Anything else in the box? Continuing the popular series, celebrating more than 60 years of Paddington, the beloved bear shares his scrapbook after visiting St Paul's Cathedral, celebrated in vivid colour on the silverproof 50p. I still think we need a Paddington at Kew Gardens holding a little Kew Gardens coin. I think that would make my day. I think some of you guys agree as well. I think that would be a really neat idea too. But as ever, let me know in the comments where you want to see Paddington. Look at that. Holy Toledo. So again, it's in this Perspex box. It's a real shame the kids' characters, they don't have like a wider design. Imagine if it like had more of the scenery on the etching, I guess. But what a stunner. Well, what have we got in the booklet then? Did you know a statue of Queen Anne stands in front of St Paul's Cathedral? On its west side, many people assume it's Queen Victoria, but the statue honours Queen Anne, who was the Queen when construction of the cathedral was completed in 1710. The present statue is the second such tribute to Queen Anne, the original having been worn and damaged over the years. Oh, that statue there. Oh, interesting. What we've got there, Paddington's trip there. That's quite neat. Has he been anywhere else in the UK other than in England? St Paul's Cathedral, Tower of London, Paddington Station and Buckingham Palace. They've all been in England. Maybe Paddington needs to have a look around the rest of the UK. Go see some Scottish sites, the Angel of the North maybe. So we've got number 15,000, holy moly, 15,892. Maximum mintage 32,000, wow, that's insanely high. What does say limited edition presentation 25,000? So I mean they made 32,500, only 25,000 will be in these Royal Mint packages, the rest go to companies like Change Checker, I guess. Westminster Collection, those kind of companies. Well, that's pretty neat. Let's get him out of this box then. So he's still in a little protective case. We won't get him out of there though. I love the colouring on it. The stunning blue of his coat against that. Well, the etching of the building is just absolutely stunning. So again, I'm very, very impressed. Wowee. But do let me know. What did you get? Did you get the bunk? Did you get the silver proof? Are you waiting to find it in change? Have you already found it in change? A lot of you have already found the Paddington at the tower, which I still have yet to find myself. But what else did we get then? So from my good friend King Oreos, we got Paddington at the station from 2018. Again, very sort of similar stuff on the box. I must admit, I do like the brown of the box more than the yellow. But there we go. And obviously we're getting Wallace and Gromit later this year, aren't we? Or early next year. So I cannot wait to get my hands on them. But there we go. Look at him. Again, it's such a stunning design. It's so intricate. Oh my goodness. That's a lot stronger than the other one. There we go. Beautiful bear. 2018. Lovely. Ow. We got a little pack. Paddington at the station. And there we go. Pretty neat stuff. And this was number 38,196. Limited edition 60,000. That doesn't seem very limited to me. I think they're still available. At least they were still available on the Royal Mint website as well. Maybe by the mintage of the 2019s were a lot less in comparison. But yeah, that's cool. And then we've got last one for this video. Silver proof Paddington at Buckingham Palace. Again, I think the box is going to be very much the same. Bears for life. Please look after this coin. Ah, as in please look after this bear, I guess. There we go. Again, stunning colours, isn't it? With some of the colour on the coins, I just thought it could look a bit gimmicky, a bit naff. But those colours are stunning. I must admit, 2018, the designs I was so impressed with. The amount of details. Look at the fence against the palace as well. Awesome, awesome stuff. Very cool. But what's been my favourite Paddington then? I think Paddington at the station is still my favourite. Or what number did we get? Much lower number. When it focuses. 1076. Again, limited to 60,000. We've got another information pack. Okay, we'll just whiz through these. Obviously you can pause the video if you wish to read it in more detail. But there we go. Holy moly, another 3 silver proofs to add to my growing silver proof collection. I've still got a whole bunch more that I haven't made videos on. I just haven't had the time to make the videos, if I'm honest. But there we go. But do let me know, as I said, where do you want to see Paddington? As I said, I want to see him at Kew Gardens. I think it'd be nice to see him around the UK as well. But definitely my favourite is still Paddington at the station. I just think it's such an intricate design with all the stuff going on all the way around him. Not to say that the others aren't. Obviously, this current one's at St Paul's. It's a very intricate design, but it's just in that one little corner, I guess. That's why it's entirely down to my personal opinion. But do let me know which is your favourite. It'd be neat to sort of see what team you're on. Are you team Buckingham Palace, St Paul's, the Tower, the station? But there we go. a couple of awesome coins. So all that leaves me to do now is thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you later on today for a PO Box video. Bye.